What's up, YouTube? Today we're back watching the Blue Angels are back. And holy crap, that was loud. They flew over us. I know, I'm gonna get a good shot of them. Actually, F-18 Hornets. But yeah, some Hornets are close enough.
Yeah, we're at the airport. There's an air show happening right now. We had no idea. It's like 5 minutes ago that this was happening. So we just showed up here. Oh, they're coming back. Huh? Wait, I don't know.
Cool shot right there. I got a cool shot right there, dude. That was cool, YouTube.
We thought they had orange.
Yeah, we thought they had
I felt bad for my nephew. What are my nephews like right now?
No, it's the...
Uh-oh, looks like they're leaving.
No, he said they were coming.
Yeah, they're probably all trying to line up together, formation. Diamond formation. It is. That's what it's called. Diamond formation. That's just crazy. How close? They're at least about a foot, maybe two.
Yeah, they're like barely. They're like touching distance.
They're about a foot, definitely a foot or two. Up.
No, it's like a...
Right there. Oh! There goes chicken. This is so cool. Watch. See other. These planes are trying to come out of nowhere and scare the crap out of everyone. Watch. Ah. Oh, I see them. You know what sucked? Imagine I wasn't recording the whole entire time.
It's like really fast. They're so loud, right?
And the scariest thing is, they're not going full speed.
If they went full speed, you would.
Oh no, every car and probably every windshield will be shattered. Because Mach 1 is breaking sound. Holy crap!
Oh, here they come. More coming.
Probably getting the airport. Someone either failed or broke their leg or something. Guarantee it.
Pay no attention to the random animals. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look, Tim. Look at them. They have their lights on. Now they have their nose gear lights on. You can kind of see them like glowing. They come. Oh, they're gonna fly right over our heads, Dave.
Can we get some good pictures, guys?
Look at that. They're gonna do a flip. They have their gear down right now. Oh, here they come. They're gonna come right at us. Where they go? Where they going?
Oh, here comes the other one.
Isn't that so cool? He's gonna be with his buddies. Oh, this guy's going fast. That's like those, he's so low to the ground. Look at all the smoke they created. Yeah, that's another one. That's another one. No, that's another one. Oh, really? I'm gonna fly there.
That was cool.
the variables under the car.
Oh, we have the ambulance. Found it.
No, it's okay. They can probably get the. What's that? No, I can't see.
The others are over there.
Let me know when they do the air show down there. They're taking phones in right here. Oh, hey, look. We're gonna do all the pieces up here. Oh, they're there. There's more of them coming on that side. They're coming around the back.
Yep. Get ready to get your cameras out. They're gonna come like right over here.
Can you send them to
No, we got here. There was a big 50 fight around. They're playing chicken.
Sick. Once they go in the clouds, they're gone.
Yeah.
It's true definition of TV. Yeah, crazy.
They're over here.
Well, they're just busting through the clouds like that.
Dude, the stealth.
Bring the sound there. Supersonic.
It almost broke the salad. It pulled back. It pulled back.
Oh, dude, it was like right there. He was like right. Yeah, he was like Mach like 0.99.
I think about 770. Actually, bro, I think it was like 770 because that's Mach 1 is. It's 770 breaks down to 770.
Poor bird's freaking out. He has no idea what's
I
going
thought
on.
you shot it.
One of these planes are gonna hit it. I guarantee you, these birds.
Wow, that was.
Coming back.
They're in the clouds.
They're up in the clouds right now, or they're like over the ocean right now, trying to like.
Which one?
There might be one coming back.
Oh, right there.
No diving. Could be gators in there.
Oh, so that's why they call it the tow truck, to block off the road.
Five over there. There's one separate.
Over here. It's gonna come over here.
Hey, don't get too close to that.
You like to do this game? Or they distract you with one group and the other group shows it, and another picture of them know this game.
Right now, I guarantee you people in Oz are probably seeing some of this. Not probably all of that. I think
Your parents have already seen it.
Sebastian's probably seeing this too.
Okay, Taylor, they're playing chicken again.
I love it when they do that.
Those flybys are not good. It's over.